Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. In today's video, we will explore the intriguing world of the Jinn. These supernatural beings have long fascinated people across cultures and religions, especially in the context of Islamic teachings. The Jinn's interactions with humans, their origins and their influence on our world have been the subject of much curiosity and speculation. Let's delve deeper into the unseen world and uncover the mysteries of the Jinn. The Jinn were created from a smokeless flame of fire by Allah, according to Islamic tradition. This origin gives them unique properties compared to humans who were created from clay. The Jinn are invisible to the human eye and have abilities beyond our comprehension, such as shape-shifting and fast travel. While they were initially created as a part of the natural order, the Jinn's ability to exercise free will sets them apart. They can choose to be good or evil, just like humans. Some Jinn follow the teachings of Islam and strive to live a righteous life, while others rebel against divine commands and sow discord. In the early days of humanity, the Jinn caused significant mischief on earth. They often opposed the messengers sent by Allah, sometimes even harming or killing them. During this period, a prominent Jinn named Iblis rose to power. Initially, Iblis was a devout worshipper of Allah and ascended to the ranks of the angels due to his piety. However, his pride led to his downfall. When Allah created Adam and commanded the angels and Iblis to bow down in recognition of Adam's authority, Iblis refused. His refusal and arrogance marked the beginning of his rebellion against Allah and his eventual role as the chief tempter and antagonist of humanity. Supernatural abilities of the Jinn possess several supernatural abilities that distinguish them from humans. Shape-shifting. Jinn can transform into different forms, such as animals or humans, to interact with the world around them. Invisibility. They can remain unseen by humans, allowing them to move freely without detection. Fast travel. Some Jinn can cover vast distances in a short amount of time, giving them an advantage in movement and transportation. Telepathy. Jinn can communicate without speaking, allowing them to share thoughts and ideas silently. Jinn have the ability to influence human lives in various ways. While some Jinn choose to live harmoniously alongside humans, others seek to cause harm or mischief. This can manifest in different forms. Possession. Jinn may possess humans, leading to unexplained illnesses, changes in behavior, or other disturbances. Influence. Jinn can whisper temptations or evil thoughts into human minds, attempting to lead them astray. Relationships. While rare, there are stories of Jinn falling in love with humans and forming relationships with them. Animals, particularly roosters, donkeys, and dogs, have heightened senses and can perceive the presence of Jinn. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised believers to seek refuge in Allah when they hear the braying of a donkey or the barking of a dog, as these animals may sense the presence of Jinn. Jinn play a significant role in Islamic teachings and practices. The Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, mentions the Jinn and their interactions with humanity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also shared teachings about the Jinn's nature and how humans can protect themselves from their influence. Protection from Jinn. Seeking refuge. Seeking refuge in Allah through prayer and recitation of specific verses can provide protection against the influence of evil, Jinn. Respect. Humans are encouraged to respect the boundaries of the unseen world and avoid meddling in matters beyond their understanding. Coexistence. While some Jinn are malevolent, others are benevolent and can coexist peacefully with humans. Iblis, once a devout worshipper of Allah, became arrogant and prideful. His refusal to bow to Adam as commanded by Allah led to his expulsion from the ranks of the angels. Iblis's rebellion marked the beginning of his role as the chief antagonist of humanity known as Satan, Shaitan. He vowed to lead humanity astray, promising to attack them from all directions and exploit their weaknesses. His goal is to sow discord and turn humans away from the path of righteousness. Despite his efforts, believers can protect themselves through faith and seeking refuge in Allah. Jinn in different cultures. Throughout history, various cultures and belief systems have incorporated the concept of spirits, ghosts, and other supernatural beings. Often, these beings are associated with the jinn. While interpretations and understandings of these entities vary across cultures, their existence and influence remain a common theme. Folk tales and myths. Many cultures have stories and legends involving jinn, often depicting them as mischievous or malevolent beings. Religious beliefs. Different religions have their own interpretations of spirits and supernatural entities, some of which align with the concept of jinn in Islamic tradition. The presence of jinn is not limited to ancient times. They have played a role throughout Islamic history and in the lives of the prophets. The Prophet Muhammad's encounters with jinn. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encountered jinn during his prophetic mission, and some of them accepted his message and embraced Islam. The night journey, Isra and Miraj. During the Prophet's night journey, he encountered various supernatural beings, including jinn. Protection from jinn. The Prophet taught his followers various prayers and supplications to seek protection from the harmful influence of jinn. The world of the jinn remains a mysterious and fascinating aspect of Islamic tradition. While we may not fully understand their nature and abilities, their existence and influence on human lives are undeniable. Through faith and seeking refuge in Allah, we can protect ourselves from the harmful impact of evil jinn and live harmoniously with the unseen world. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the mysteries of the jinn. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments below.